Hello guys, you can do this inside your app, your Amazon app inside your phone, or you can do this inside your laptop. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on, I'm going to show you first how you can do this on laptop. Now you just need to move your mouse to your account here in the top right, and then you want to select here account. Okay, so when you select account, you want to search here for login and security. Now after that, you just need to log in. I'm going to log in and come back to you. Okay guys, when you are in this page, you want to scroll down, and here you will be able to find two-step verification. Now if you click on manage, you will be able to add here a new phone or authenticator app. Now when you click on here, because I enabled like two-step verification, I used my phone number to receive codes in order for me to log into Amazon. Now for you can just click on add new phone or add an authenticator app. Okay, so if you click on that, you can either go to your app store or Play Store and search for this app. It's called Authenticator app. There are a lot of ones that can do the job, so just search for Authenticator app. Now after that, guys, you want to click on the plus button, and you want to like first you need to, you can just, here it says here open your authenticator app. It says here you need an app. Click on it, and it says here you don't need to access your password, so don't need to worry about password or stuff like that. They are very legit. Now you just need to open the app and scan the barcode below this code, which is this code. Just scan it, and you want to enter here the code, and then click on verify. And now whenever you want to open your Amazon, you will have to go to the app, and then there will be a code generated to you, okay, every time you want to log into Amazon. Or you can just use a phone number. Like I said, just enter here the phone number and then the country code. If it's United States, it's +1, and here you want to enter the phone number. Now inside the app, it's very, very simple. Hello guys, I just opened the app here inside the BlueStacks, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. Just click here, as you can see on your profile here, and then you will be able to click on security, like privacy and security. After that, you just need to apply the steps. You will find your two-step verification and click on it. Okay, this one, as you can see, this icon, it's the same steps on your laptop. And yeah, hopefully guys, this tutorial helped you, and see you guys in the next tutorial. And drop a like, this would be highly appreciated. See you.